Hi, welcome back to the next edition of how to fertilize your budget. Today we're going to talk some more about swag bucks, ways which you can earn money through swag bucks. As you can see here, I'm already logged into my account. Today's lesson is going to be on Swago. Swago is not something that goes on all the time. You have to kind of watch and see. I don't think it'll do it like that. You have to kind of watch and see when it's up. But it's under contest. If you just scroll down your page here, you've got your Earn SB gift cards contest. Under contest, the first one is Swago. Let's see if I can get this out of the way so you can see. Once you have joined, this month's is from February 4th until February 9th. Once you have joined, then it's going to give you this board here. The board gives you 25 different ways to earn SB points or to fill in that square. It's a variety of different ways to do it. Some of them are pretty simple. Some of them I personally never complete. Earn on Swag Bucks, Swag IQ. That's one we're going to do in another video. That is something you're going to want to join. Visit 1-800-flowers.com. Well, if you just click on their link there, it will take you to the page. It will automatically advance to that 1-800-flowers.com. And so then you got credit for that. Build-A-Bear. It just has several of them here. Visit and activate through the swag button banner. You must have swag button enabled or loaded on your computer in order to visit these that say swag button. That is something we're also going to do in another video. Buy my card, gift card plus. I don't usually do those. You might redeem a code through swag button. That's another one we're going to do on another video. Now, once you've completed, you see the ones that are colored in are the ones that I have already worked on. I don't actually have swag button loaded on this computer, so I'll be working on that on another computer. I will, however, run the video from that computer so that you can see using that swag button. I might actually even take you through on loading it onto a computer so you can see how to load it, set it up, and what have you. It's simple. It's not a lot to it. Redeem a code from the Swag Buck mobile app. That is one that you will get a notice. If you have that app loaded on your phone or tablet, I don't know if it works on a tablet. Mine is on a phone. If you have it loaded on your phone, then it'll give you a notice that there's one available. You're going to click on that. You have to have a Facebook page to do that. But you're going to click on that. It's going to tell you what the code is, and you're going to enter it in. And that's something that we'll do in a video whenever I have one pop up. Then if you see down here, patterns, then it's going to ask you close to the end, what did you manage to do? If you filled the entire board, then you're going to get a 150 point bonus. You click that submit and it'll take you to the bonuses. If you created an X, a plus from top right to bottom left, you filled the middle row, and so you have a whole list here, and that's what your bonus is for completing it this month. Now, sometimes it'll also have an option of spinning a wheel, and that wheel will give you bonus stuff as well. It's not on here this month, so I can't show it to you, but next time I see one, I will make a video with that on there. So that's it. Just make sure you collect your bonus before the Swago board expires. Make sure you check this date here so that you know when it's going to expire. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at learntodosurveys@gmail.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe, share, like, come back, watch the next videos. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Tammy Fraunfelter, and I hope to see you again.